Hey guys, so today I'm competing in my first race since starting the game again. It's probably gonna be pretty rough, but just thought it'd be fun to record. It starts in 5 minutes, so I'll check back in when that's good. Okay, it starts in 1 minute, so I don't remember at all where you're supposed to run or whatever, or what you're supposed to do, but we're just gonna see what happens. My horse is only level 5, so a lot of these people. I didn't know also that there was riding club things where they're more exclusive, so that's cool. But, yep. Okay. Competition groups. Okay, so that's new, I guess. Okay, let's get up here. Oh, this is so scary. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, already going the wrong way. Okay. Wow, these horses are very fast. Okay, first one back, we're okay. I forgot how many people knew shortcuts and such. Oh. I remember I used to get like first place in 70s. I don't know how I ever did that. Oh. This was a lot of training for this new horse. Would be good. Oh god. It looks like I'm in last place for my group. Or not. I'm not sure how this works though. Oh. Okay. Struggling a little bit, but we'll finish. It's so hard to get a hang of the controls again, but it's fun. We're here. Oh god. Will it go around? Ooh, I'm not gonna complete. See how far it has to go. Hopefully I don't get dead last. But if so, that's alright. Oh! Alright. I don't know if I ever did this rough on one when I was playing, but at least I'll finish probably. Well, I finished, and we'll see if I'm dead last. Oh, well, that's good. Got a good consolation. Now after that, I'm gonna go see the Valley of the Hidden Dinosaur later on, given that obviously I haven't been in the game in so long. Alright, now we're going down. Okay. Doesn't look like a whole lot is down here. I know they at least used to have the fjords here, but it definitely is more quiet. It seems like not many people go here. Remember that. Here's where I remember the horses being good. Let's see what this is. I've been here in a long time. Oh, right. Up here. I remember. Oh. Oh, I see where this takes us. Down to the riding arena. See if I can get up here from down here. up to a quest. I'm not sure where that. Go down by the riding arena just for a small quest. The Frisian variation spring is so beautiful. Here, I guess. Okay. Okay. Just collecting things. Okay, now I just have to tell them this. Well, thanks so much everyone for watching this super random video. I should be coming out with more soon. Thanks again.